Hello. Welcome to this PIPEX tutorial. In this video I want to show you how you can create, edit or manage picklists in PIPEX. To make data entry easier, almost all fields in the header data editor offer a picklist to select data from. You can recognize such fields by the down arrow button on the right side of the field. The lists are either predefined by the selected database standard or they can be created by the operator. The individual elements of a predefined list cannot be deleted or changed. Such lists can only be expanded. Now I want to edit the list for the pipe material to show you these possibilities. The Picklist editor is opened either with a double click on the field prompt or with the key combination Ctrl F6 when the cursor is in the corresponding edit field. The list editor is divided into two areas. Only the lower user area is available for user input. The entries specified by the database standard are listed in the upper system area. A toolbar is available at the bottom of the grid view to control the editing process. Clicking the plus button displays a new empty row with 2 columns in the table. Both columns have to be edited. Enter the long text in the left column. Add a short code string in the right column. The code is now associated with the long text. Click the check mark button in the toolbar to save the new record. Click on the minus button in the toolbar to delete an existing record. Click on the cross button to exit the editor without storing the data. With a click on the OK button you get back to the header data editor after finishing the editing process. To be able to pick a new element from the list for the first time, you first have to exit the corresponding input field. Re-enter the field and click on the down arrow button and the new entry is visible in the list. Please note that all extensions to the standard lists are stored into the current project and only available there. Thanks for watching. Please also note the other training films. Subscribe to our channel and receive a notification when there are new tutorials.